And there you have it. This is the end of our video tutorial. I hope this was helpful, and especially I hope it helped you to realize how important it is to really analyze and understand the sound of the instrument you're about to record. The important thing is to remember that each single microphone plays a major role in the type of sounds you're after. So every time you're about to approach a recording session, whether if you're a recording engineer, a mixer, a producer, you are just starting within this business, the key here is to truly listen to what you're after in order for you to choose the right microphone for the tasks. As we saw over here, you don't need 23 microphones. You can create an amazing, outstanding sound only with 3 microphones. In order for you to create the sounds, the key is to listen while positioning the microphones. And in order for you to achieve that mission, you need to listen in context of the songs you're about to produce. My name is Matteo Marciano. I'm extremely thankful for you watching this video, and I hope this is going to help you to achieve better and great sound recording. Until then, I'll see you next time. Ciao.